Hello. In this video, we will see how to write the letter Le and its Australian alphabets in Tigrigna. As you can see here on the right, there is a slideshow. This is La, Le, L, Lo, Le, Lu, Li, La, Le, L, Lo. Perfect. So let's see the way we write them here. So let me write Le in this way. There is different ways of writing Le. Some people, they write it as simple as a small letter H, but I'm gonna write it like that. So Le, 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 Le. So from this, let's add something or delete some part of it to make it the training alphabet. For example, this is Le. So if I add this line, it becomes Lu. If I add this line to Le, it becomes Li. Li like this one. La, just add this line to the right leg. Le, add this round here. Le, add this round. And Lo, add this one to look like Lu and add a round. So what I'm saying is, when you try to write it quickly, I will write it Le, Lu, Li, La, Le, Lu, Lo. This is Lo, okay? See the way I wrote it? If I practice it, for sure I will be able to write it very quickly. The baseline here is that Le is starting, and adding these features to Le, we are getting the other trailing alphabets. Lu, for example, this is Li, this is La, this is Le, this is Lu, this is Lo, okay? All right, so this is Le. I will see you in the next video.